For sure. Look at that sardine. Oh my God, it's gonna be so good. Some cottage cheese, sour cream, green onions, radishes, a little bit of rye bread, some butter, and of course, sardines. So let's get chopping. Right? We're gonna take some sour cream. Now, this is where it gets controversial. This, sardines. See it? Ah, I just spilled sardine juice all over the kitchen counter. Nicely in, this one is packed in sea salt. All right, this is looking good. Let me roll this around. This one is a drippy one. This is a big one. All right, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna put bread, sardine, farmer's chop suey, and a tomato. Oh my God. This is good. Yeah, it's good. The sardine is salty. One more sardine left in the can. Oop, it broke. I don't have any more bread, but I'm just gonna eat it like this. Ah! Mmm. That's good. It's so good. Would you eat a sardine? If you do, you would agree this is the bomb. So, I'm gone. 16 grams of protein. I would say it is delicious. Try it. Try it. You'll like it.